Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to log in WhatsApp without verification code. But first, check out our link software in the description. So let's get started. So in this case, if you're looking for a way to log in into your WhatsApp account without actually using any verification code here, well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, WhatsApp here, when you first create your account, requires you to have a phone number. Now, that phone number will be used to receive what we call OTPs or verification codes. Now, it's a way for WhatsApp to determine or to verify that you are actually the owner of that specific WhatsApp account. Because we all know that certain WhatsApp accounts would actually contain sensitive information. Now, if you're wondering, can you actually directly access an account without using any OTPs? Well, there is one, but there's a bit of setup that you need to make sure that you've done here. So typically, you can actually recover your WhatsApp account using your email address. But if you go to your settings here, and if you go to your account section, you should see the section that says email address. Now, if you're one of those or one of the people that actually set up or added their email address into their account, well, if you try logging in and choose the login with email address, well, you should be able to receive a verification code or even a link via your email address, and you should be able to log in. But unfortunately, not everyone has this access here. Now, the next best thing that you could try doing here is you may want to log in using what we call a QR code. Now, if you go to any device, maybe a PC or even a phone or tablet, typically you could actually use or you could actually see when you're trying to log in, you should be able to see like a QR code that you can scan. So if you still have access to an older phone, that's your WhatsApp account already still has access on it, what you could do is you just need to go ahead and go to your settings again, and you want to look for the option here that says link account. Now, if you don't see that, you can just press on the three dot option at usually the top right here on the WhatsApp homepage. You should see the link devices, and when you click on it, you should see the use WhatsApp on other devices. You go and click on link a device, and just verify your self here, like fingerprint or code, whatever, and you should be able to scan the QR code. Now, typically, you go and open up the web.whatsapp.com here in your desktop app or in other devices. As long as you're able to see the QR code, you could use your phone or your current phone right now to scan that QR code, and you should be able to log in. Now, in this case, that's about it. So currently, those are the only ways for you to log in into WhatsApp. So WhatsApp is kind of pretty secure about this one. So phone number is something essential within their system. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.